Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC, returning with this review for the Lego set. It's used. A friend of mine gave it to me many months ago. Well, no problem, because it is used, but I had to restore it completely. Well, used building instructions, as you see, is wrinkled, but it's original. Ribbed, it's original. The set is the 7822 from 1980. It's got 379 pieces. Let's see that it is still readable. You could follow all the steps. I organized it by the sequence of the steps, so I won't have any problem building this set ahead. So the other part I would like to show you before starting to build it are the stickers. I rescued them from the pieces. The train schedule is nice. It's a transclear film, and the clock, the aluminium clock, typical from that era. This one is much better than this one. I will show this clock in the main facade, and this one at the back. No problem. These stripes are not from this set, so I just put it on this paper for keeping these stickers safe. More stickers, but this is not from this set. This is from the train set, electric train set 7745. I will need one of these signal holder for the signal holder, the old light gray, to place it. I will show you the piece, because my next explanation will be the hard to find pieces on this set and what you have to care about. Okay, first challenge of the hard to find pieces in this condition are these old light gray plates, 6x24. They are not common or easy to find in great condition, not discolored, not broken. It's got 11 of these plates, hard to find pieces or expensive or whatever you want to call them. It's a challenge to get everything on this set. This is another plate, smaller, the 6x10. Sometimes they offer kind of different tones, light gray tones, due to the age, but it is still in new condition. I polished them, so it will look like new. No problem. I am so happy restoring Lego sets, especially the old ones. Another hard to find piece is this mast, train mast, with this lattice structure, and one of them is broken in the middle. As you see, I did glue it, but I rescued it. It won't stop me because I've got this broken. No, I glue it, so keep going, no problem. Other hard to find is the stand, the mast stand. It should be two of them. I've got just one, unfortunately. I polished this used piece, but the other stand I will replace is by using this bracket and these two jumpers plates, tiles, and I place the other mast. If you see, they will look so different, but they got same height, so no problem about it. The problem is that this base will look different than this one. Okay, let's talk about this two 1x2 plate modified with this ladder. It's in red, but it is still looking nice, new condition. But the other ones, I am not sure why, got discolored a little bit with a lot of white dots due to the age. So I decided to sand the surface and polish a little bit, and it's got a little bit with much better looking. If you compare it, the red color, the red tone of this is lighter than this one. Okay. Other things hard to find and not included on this Lego set is the center rail tracks for the electric trains. This one is for switching the traffic light, the red light and the green light, by using this special piece. They are not included on this Lego set, but I will include it more ahead in another video with a train, the 7725 rolling, passing or on the train station. Hard to find piece, the rail tracks with slotted parts in order to got on the sleepers. They are hard to find nowadays. You won't find because it is not producing anymore by the Lego company. And the worst thing would be this trans red brick 1x6 with the station word printed on it. I tried to restore it by polishing it. I polished it. Unfortunately, the letters got fading away, so I decided to remove them and put a sticker, individual letter stickers, white, both sides. I am being so honest with you about some modifications before starting to build this Lego set, wonderful Lego set. And these chairs from the 80s, typical in yellow, no circle in the middle like the new ones. Circle mold, I'm not sure what to call it, which way to call that. This chair is polished by me, and you will see the set will look so nice. Let's start to build!
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Hey, hey.
Well, the Lego set is now built. As you see, I made some variations or modifications. You could recognize them. The first modification I made is, remember, this bracket and two jumpers in order to fix or place this mast, original mast, and the other one is the same. I moved the original mast stand to this because I really like the traffic light, and I'm going to make it functioning on my next video when I add the train, the 7725 Lego train set from the 1980. And the other modifications, as you see, I put the bulbs, the transclear round plate, even the other lamps, adding new minifigs, another worker. Let's make this view, and let me okay, additional lamp and additional light. I complete the stretch, the security stretch or maintenance sidewalk or straight, I'm not sure how to call it, in red. I added 4 tiles, red tiles 1 by 2, in order to complete the red indication, not with the separation colors. I think it is looking much better to me. The traffic light, for my next video I'm going to make it work. The switcher for the traffic light, you press here and the green light should be turned on, and the same process with the red part. Additional, these 2 plates, light gray plates, 2 by 6. This facade is not common to see. You always see the other side of the facade. It should be the main facade for the people when you get inside the train station and buy the tickets. So I added also more round bricks, 2 by 2 in black. This one and this one. This one is originally, as the building instructions stated, this part, the doors for freight work, maybe post office boxes or something like that. This is passenger train station. It's not for freight, but anyway, I love this kind of doors. This part of the train station. Let's check the other stretch or sidewalk in red. This part of the stairs by using a lot of slopes, 1 by 2, 45 degrees inverted. Or else, what else? Sorry, this is a little bit brittle, and something I didn't like was, where these parts are so loose. I'm not sure how to call it. It's not getting, it's not placing by pressure. It's easy to get out. I don't like that. It's so soft or easy to fall down. This is just black humor, people jumping another or trying to help somebody is falling down. Okay, what else? Well, adding more people, because I don't like train station with a few minifigs. It should be with a lot of minifigs. Well, that's an overview of this wonderful train station from 1980. Well, let's go on to my next video with a train additional for this station. Bye bye.